Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a video in Premiere Pro. Once you already have your video on the timeline, search for color key under the effects and drag it to your video clip. Just go to effect controls, scroll down, and under the color key there is this dropper tool, and click on it and click on a part of your background in the preview. Now let's click on the wrench icon right here below the preview and click on transparency grid. Once you have done that, you can adjust the color tolerance, the edge thin, and the edge feather until the background disappears, but not so much that it can affect your foreground, so just adjust accordingly and see which works best for your video. Once you are satisfied with removing your background, you can then add a new background, drag your video clip layer up, and you can then add the background behind it and see if you need to adjust more under the effect controls of color key. And that is how you can basically remove the background from a video in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.